we don't realize this, but oftentimes, the fires in our lives, the strong winds, the typhoons in our lives, are God's ways of waking us up to recognize our gifts. Bakit kailangan pa tayong bagyuhin para mabuksan at makilala natin ang ating sarili na gifted? Why are we so insecure, finding and wanting so many gifts outside of us without us realizing that there is the best gift in us, and that is the Holy Spirit? Once we discover the gift of the Holy Spirit, the first reading tells us, we will also discover the gifts of others and respects the different gifts of others.